tell you of the risks involved, or of the ultimate price we may have to pay. As we fly on to glory, I want you to know how very proud I am of this squadron. Keep us stiff on our feet, men, and remember our motto, Simple Victorium, non patentum quod.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot. I am your senior flight attendant. And on behalf of Captain Greylag, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from boggy marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures we have been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air, the fluffy skies.